today we're looking at how creating great video content can work wonders for recruitment. Now, this is Bedford Borough Council. As you can see, they do a lot of videos and they're always really present on social media, and actually they've got really, really engaged following, which is fantastic. But one of the things that really caught my attention is actually their use of videos. They use videos for lots of different things, but one of the things that they're trying to do is they're trying to recruit people for Bedford Borough Council home carers. So they created this little video, which is one of the home carers at the moment. One of the carers at the moment, and she is talking about her experience of being a carer. Now, there's no better way than to hammer home a message about how rewarding a job can be than actually hearing it directly from someone. So let's take a little look.
Bedford Borough as a home carer, I look after the elderly and the vulnerable in their own homes. You get great satisfaction in your job, and you know that you're actually helping somebody through maybe a very difficult time in their life.
I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. It is impactful. It creates emotion, and that's what this is all about. You know, to want to be a carer, you have to care. And what they've done here is, rather than just saying, you know, like putting up a recruitment sign or saying, you know, we're recruiting, this is how much money you get, etc. Instead, they're saying that they need self-motivated, enthusiastic and eager to learn people as home carers. It tells you exactly what you need. And then there's a little link to it as well. But it's all about this video because it's all about impact. And if you were thinking of changing jobs or looking to do something else, and you are somebody who cares a lot for people, then do it. Then watching a video like this is only going to make you much more interested and capture your attention. And it's much more likely to get people to share it, much more likely to get people to like it. Also, making sure that you've got the captions on there is really, really important as well, so that people can, even if they can't listen to it during the day, you know, say they're at work or something like that, they still watch the video and capture, you know, get a feel for it as well. So yeah, it's such a great way of creating engagement and shareability and driving home impact in a way that just a normal picture or a recruitment post just wouldn't. Now, if I was these guys, I would want to be making sure that I'm on top of my content. One of the things that you can do is they can actually go in and they can schedule in their content. So if they go to the Maybe platform, they can go here. This is their content calendar. You can choose to add in a post. So you can add it for that day, or you can add it in for you know, a week down the line, for example. You can schedule it in. But on here you can create Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can basically go across all the channels and create, you just need to make sure that they're connected. You can go across all the channels and you can create some content. So you can go in there, you can start writing, you just click which channel you want, add in the video. So they could add in a series of little videos like they have done there, and put in the hashtags, anything they want to look. And then here it shows you a post preview as well. But it means that they can then start scheduling it in to save them a bit of time and then create more time to actually engage with people as well. If you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We love to help.